Hare Krishna. In this video, I'll quickly walk you through the process of using Sadhana web application. This is a URL. There are two ways to register. One is through registration page. By clicking register now, you need to enter all the details and you need to enter your mentor details. And if your mentor name is not getting populated, your mentor also has to register from this page. And another way is to log in through Google. I already created my account, so I'll use my account. So this is a home page. This will show your progress. Recently, I haven't entered any details using this account since we have just deployed this in production. So I'll create few records so that you'll see how it works. So this is the home page. You can go to Sadhana Tracker from here or as well as by clicking here, and you can click on create new record. You can see all that how the points are calculated, etc. from help and instructions. So this is a page. It will show how all the details. I will click on create new record. I just came back to the Sadhana tracker and again I clicked on create new record. So here you can enter the chanted rounds japa before 8 a.m. If you have done somewhere around 12, you can put it over here, and if it is 2, so 12, 14, 16. So the points are calculated based on the time you have done the japa. And here you can enter the reading title. So whatever you enter, when you come back next time, it will be populated. So for example, yeah, I have previously entered these details, so it is getting populated. So the reading duration, it's self-explanatory. And here, if you have heard anything on that particular day, you can enter those details. And again, the hearing duration minutes, whatever you have heard. I'm just entering the random data, by the way. I'll delete it later. And these are the services. I'll show or whatever services you enter in the managed services, it will be populated over here. So when you see it for the first time, you may not see anything except others. So you can just select the service type you have performed and enter the details of the duration. Like if you have done this service for 2 hours, you can put it as 120 minutes. By the way, everything has to be entered in minutes. And if you need more details, you can just click on this icon so that it will give all the information if you don't understand anything. And for some random services, if you occasionally do some particular services, you can just click on others and enter those details. I'm just entering the test service. And here you can enter the notes like for your mentor to see, and for it also for your tracking purpose. You can enter some random data, if whatever data you did not put it over here, or if you have done something extra on Ekadashi day, you can put it over here and create. So this has accumulated all the points and you can see all the details. If you have done any mistake or something like that, you can again go and edit, or you can also delete. Like you can just click on edit and update this to 50 and update. And if you want to delete, then you can type a command delete. The record will be deleted. And again, I'll quickly enter some other data. If since if you forget to enter some data, just click on edit for the date which you haven't entered, and just quickly enter the random data, create, and this is done. And you can also edit it later if you forgot something, or if you want to add some details later, that also can be done over here. Update. I'll create another record so that I can show how the graph looks like in the home page. If you see, the graph has shown since I'm on, if you're using mobile, you'll see something like this. Yeah, also I see has gone this has gone out of bound. Yeah, we'll check this and we'll try to fix this as soon as possible. So that is how you need to create a record. And also this is if you go to this page, you'll see the daily progress and monthly progress, yearly progress, etc. And coming to manage services, you can add a new service type like duty service at Auckland Temple. So as soon as you do this, you come back. When you try to create a new record, duty service at Auckland Temple. So this will be populated and you can enter your details. And one more thing you can see over here is when you delete this, it will be deleted because I haven't used it anywhere. But if you want to delete something which has already been created and it is already used in some of the records, it will not allow you to delete. That was also not used anywhere. For example, this one might have. Yeah, so here the service type cannot be deleted as it is in use. So one of the records is already using this, so you can just hide this service type or keep it. So that is the related to adding new service or updating a new service. So it will be when as soon as you hide it, it will move to this particular location. And if you want to unhide, and just click on unhide, again it will come back to its old position, its same position. So this is how you need to use service. But basic thing, we regularly try to use add new service type so that it will be populated over here while creating a new record. So yeah, that is it. If and In help and instructions you have this, and if you have any questions or something like that, you can just drop out an email to this particular email ID so that we can get back to you. Thank you. Hare Krishna.